Hello, in this video you can understand how to make a home decor using a melamine plate and acrylic colors. For that, I am using a blue colored melamine plate of an average size and a few acrylic colors. First, you have to give a base coat which is used to prevent peeling off the acrylic colors from the plate. I am leaving a small border around the plate so as to give a black border after completing the whole picture. The base coat color I am using is white mixed with a small amount of blue color. I am using this color since I don't want to change the background color of the picture from the color of the plate. I have almost done the same procedure all around the plate. I've given a thicker coat on the area where there will be no picture. So the brush lines has to be removed. In order to remove the brush lines, we have to add thicker coat. Wait for some time after completing the base layer for the plate to completely get dried. You can then add the picture of your desired image. I have drawn using a pencil. If you are not good at drawing, you can also copy it using a carbon paper. And I'm giving a black outline to the whole picture so that even after painting I can see the outlines. Here I am using a permanent CD marker which has got a fine and pointed tip. This will help us in detailing the picture. This is also an easiest and simple way of giving outline. We can also use 3D liners or glass liners or normal glass liners in order to give the outline. Since this is the simple method, I am using this. After completing the outline of the whole picture, we can now start painting the picture. Here I am using a red color CD marker for the hanging from the cloth on the head portion. Only start painting the picture after the outline gets completely dried. Now I have started painting. I have used red acrylic paint. After completing the red color on the cloth portion, I have added a little bit of yellow shade to that in order to get a cloth effect. If there is some portion we have to clean, you can use your fingers or a cotton swab. I have left a small border around the picture purposefully in order to give a black border after completing the whole picture. We can decide where we have to put the picture. I am doing the same procedure all along the cloth on the head portion. The areas with small detailings should be done very carefully. I am planning to give the detailing of the cloth only after completing the picture. Now I am starting to do the face. For the face, I have given pure yellow color as a base coat. This is to avoid the pop-up of the background color, that is a mixture of white and blue. I have done a light yellow base coat all along the face. And after that, I have mixed a pinch of red with yellow in order to get an orange shade. The same orange color I have used around the flower. You can do shading according to your wish. Be careful to give shade only on one side. I am going to complete the whole face using yellow and yellow plus orange mixture. Around the eye, I have given a darker shade. I am completing the whole picture using the same technique. I am leaving a portion near. You can give shading to the face according to your wish. I have mixed brown with light yellow in order to get the effect of a realistic eye. Now I have completed the whole face painting with yellow. Now I am giving a second coat which is more thicker than the first coat. Meanwhile, the face is getting dry. I am now painting the background in blue color. After that, I have added one more coat to the face. Now, the outline is again done using the same CD permanent marker. The top coat for the face is given in such a way that there is no visible brush lines. After that, we are using the CD liner to give the whole outline of the picture. This will give an instantly brightened up look for the picture. I am using the same CD marker in order to fill the eyelid of the picture. For detailing in the picture, CD marker with a pointed tip is the best thing. This is pretty easier than using a normal glass liner or a 3D liner. If you are not good at using a brush or a glass liner or a 3D liner, you can definitely use this idea. I have completed the whole outline of the picture, and the detailing is also done using the CD marker. I have used a red CD marker in order to detail the flower. Now I am adding detailing to the cloth on the head portion. I have outlined a diamond shape with the CD marker, and after that I am giving dots using yellow color. I have given a black border to the whole plate using permanent marker, which is the normal permanent marker with a thick nib. After completing the whole picture, you have to leave it for almost 1 day for it to completely dry. After that, you have to use clear varnish in order to seal the whole picture. Now our picture is complete, and let it dry for some time. This is a Kathakali drawn on a melamine plate using the same technique. In this, detailing has been done using blue, red and black CD markers.